Get ready for the ultimate virtual experience for 2020. The inaugural OECS Republic Bank Sustainable Development Movement, September 23 to 24, 2020. Join over 3,000 delegates virtually and be a part of the discussion on innovative sustainable development, featuring keynote speakers Damon John, Les Brown, Dr. Didacus Jewels, Marlene Street Forest, Sineadu Echeru, Melanie Harwood, plus other global leaders and development partners. A pitch room for innovators and entrepreneurs, panel and roundtable discussions with strategists, and a modern showcase of exhibitors from around the world. The SDM 2020 Summit, 2 days, intense online conversations. Join the movement. September 23 to 24, live from St. Lucia at OECSSDM.com. It's not just a conference, it's a movement. Presented by the OECS, Republic Bank, and other global partners. Register now.